During your working years, your regular source of income will help you to take care of your dependent parents, maintain your lifestyle, support your child's dream. You need support during the later stage of your life. ABSLI provides life insurance coverage and a guaranteed stream of income and lump sum benefit under the product ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. Is this plan enough to secure your future? In this video, let us review this plan and analyze the various benefits under this plan. Welcome to holisticinvestments.in. ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. In this video, let us discuss the features, maturity benefit, death benefit, advantages and disadvantages of ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. We shall also compute the return and compare it with other investment return. First, let us look at the features of ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. You get a guaranteed income from first or second policy anniversary till the end of policy term. Lump sum benefit at the policy maturity in addition to the income benefit. Life cover across policy term. The income variant could be long term or whole life. There is also the choice of increasing income or level income option. You have the flexibility to build your own plan with a choice of income benefit, income variant, premium paying term, policy term and deferment period. Next, we shall look at the benefits we get under ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. Death benefit. If the life insured unfortunately passes away at any time during the policy term, death benefit shall be payable as a lump sum amount to the nominee. Death benefit is defined as higher of sum assured on death or surrender benefit, where sum assured on death is higher of 10 times the annualized premium sum assured or 105% of total premiums paid till the date of death. Staggered death benefit option. The nominee will have the option to receive the amount of death benefit in annual or monthly installment instead of one lump sum payment. It is payable at the end of each year or month over the course of 5 years. Next is survival benefit. On survival of life insured, survival benefit in the form of guaranteed income will be paid at the end of each year beginning with the first policy year and continuing until policy maturity. You have the option to receive the income benefit in annual or semi-annual or quarterly or monthly frequency. The income variants are level income and increasing income. Level income benefit expressed as a percentage of annualized premium will be paid to you. Increasing income. Under this option, the income benefit payout will increase at a simple interest rate of 5% every 5 years from the policy commencement date as per the deferment option chosen. Next is maturity benefit. On survival of life insured till the end of the policy term, guaranteed lump sum benefit is payable. Guaranteed lump sum benefit is equal to the total premiums paid by you multiplied by the applicable lump sum factor. Lump sum factor depends on the benefit option, income variant, premium paying term and policy term. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ABSLI Nishchit plan. Advantages. You start receiving the survival benefit from the beginning of second policy year itself. You receive it till the end of the policy term or your whole life. Riders can be added to the base policy. Premium paying term, policy term, income benefit can be chosen at your convenience. Under the increasing income benefit option, the income benefit payout will increase at a simple rate interest of 5% every 5 years. The death benefit could be received in installment. Loan option is available up to a maximum of 80% of surrender value. Disadvantages of ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. All the benefits are staggered over the years, so it may not help you to meet your big ticket expenses. Since the plan offers a survival benefit from the second policy year, the return is meager, that is, the investment is not allowed to grow to fetch better returns. The sum assured is low when compared to pure term life insurance policies. No loyalty additions or bonus for this plan. ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan offers both survival benefit and maturity benefit. To understand the plan better, we shall look at the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. With the given information, the internal rate of return is calculated. A 40-year-old male invests Rs 1 lakh in ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. He opts for a long-term income variant with a premium paying term of 10 years and policy term of 40 years and chooses to receive his income immediately on an annual basis. He pays a premium of Rs 1 lakh for 10 years and receives a survival benefit of Rs 37,750 per year during the policy term and a maturity benefit of Rs 14 lakhs at the end of the policy term. In the initial years, the survival benefit is adjusted with the premium. In the above illustration, the internal rate of return is calculated at 5.28%. This rate is lower than the economy's inflation rate. Though you receive regular income benefits from the policy, the IRR is low. The reason behind this is the investment should be allowed to grow over time, which is missing in ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. Investments are often made with long-term financial goals in mind, such as retirement planning, education funds, or wealth accumulation. The longer an investment is allowed to compound, the greater the growth potential. Let us understand this with an example. In the ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan, you pay an annual premium of 1 lakh for the first 10 years. Instead of investing here, let us assume we split this amount into monthly investment of rupees 8,300 and deposit in a post office recurring deposit account. That is 8,300 into 12 is equal to 99,600. The actual tenure is 5 years in post office RD, but it can be extended. The current interest rate as of June 2023 is 6.2% per annum, compounded quarterly. Thus, the final accumulated corpus under the RD investment at the end of 10 years is calculated at 13.79 lakhs. Under the ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan, you get a survival benefit of rupees 37,750 per annum from the second policy year. But here we assumed that the investment is allowed to grow without withdrawal, that is without withdrawing for the survival benefit. The accumulated corpus of 13.79 lakhs is then invested at the rate of 6% per annum for annual withdrawal for the next 30 years. After withdrawing 60,000 per annum for the next 30 years, you are still left with the corpus of rupees 28.96 lakhs. You can refer the comparison table here. Under ABSLI Nishchit, you get a survival benefit of 37,750 and a final corpus benefit of 14 lakhs rupees. But here we have calculated that you get double the survival benefit and double the final maturity value under RD investment. Here is our final verdict on ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan. It offers various benefits to policyholders. Depending on the personal requirement, the policyholder can choose from a wide range of options. All the benefits, that is survival benefit, maturity benefit, or guaranteed amounts. Policyholders may get lured by the regular cash flow, but beware, staggered benefits reduce your return. Traditional policies often include a savings or investment component where the premiums you pay accumulate over time. By withdrawing income benefit before the premium paying term ends, you may receive a reduced amount compared to what you would have received if you had waited until the end of the term. This could affect your final return on investment. Paying the premium and at the same time getting survival benefit is not a good option. As long as the investment is allowed to grow, it will accelerate your return. Insurance agents may try to sell you these types of plans for their agent commission. Please beware. For life cover, opting a pure term insurance policy is the best option. A detailed blog post on ABSLI Nishchit Aayush plan is available in our website and the link is given in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.